Hi everyone, my name is Amy, and in this video, I'll show you how to add the Poppers Accessibility widget to your Weebly website. Adding an accessibility widget can help make your website more inclusive and easier to use for all visitors. It improves user experience, supports accessibility needs, and helps ensure your site is usable by a wider audience. So let's get started. First, log into your Popper dashboard. Once you're there, click on Widgets from the sidebar and then click Create New Widget. Now search for Accessibility and open the widget. After the widget loads, you'll see several customization options. You can choose Smart Profiles or manually enable and disable modules based on your needs. From there, you can also adjust settings like color display and navigation. In the theme settings, you can change the accent color, widget position, and size to match your website. Once you're happy with the customization, click Publish Widget. After publishing, you'll get an installation code. Copy the code and go to your Weebly site editor. Inside the editor, add a Embed Code block, then paste the installation code into it. After that, publish your site. Once you open your website and refresh the page, your accessibility widget will appear successfully on your site. That's it for this video. I'll see you in the next one.